living proof that Facebook ads can change your life because my agency just made $131,000 last month. I've been in the agency game more than 3 years now, and I still work 12-hour days even though your favorite guru told you not to do so. In this video, I'm gonna break down how I exactly make this. By the way, I wanna let you know, I don't do paid up calls. I don't book hundreds of calls. I don't do millions of outreach. We focus solely on client results, and the only way for us to make more money is getting better results for our client. I used to have more traditional SMMA offer. I've done a couple of times, but the problem was the churn. Because the amount of money that you're charging the people, they expect that usually ads or any type of marketing doesn't work like that. It needs time, optimization, and building good systems for that business. And once you're in that traditional SMMA game, the margins are really low because you have to pay your staff, your appointment setter, your customer success manager, operation manager, salespeople, setters. They're gonna take big chunk of your profits. Also, I'm not even counting like expenses like softwares and marketing expenses, which is for most agencies, it's the biggest cash burner. Getting retainers are cool, knowing how much you're gonna make next month, thinking if you actually be able to keep that client for the next month, but also you never get a massive reward, right? If you keep it safe, you earn a safe amount. But if you actually want to make a bunch of money with agency, you want to take more risk on your end. You gotta trust your product. You gotta sell something that actually can make you more money than what it could make anyone. And if you operate like this with a high churn, with lower risk, you become a sales company, not an agency, because your next month depends on your sales performance. And if you actually chase the whale clients, you don't even need to go for hundreds of different clients to be able to make that amount of money. Focus on bigger clients, be able to charge them $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month with the performance bonuses. In my opinion, hiring and training a good media buyer and delivery team more important than a sales team, as long as you can sign those whale contracts with the performance bonuses, as long as you can make a good ad and good house sales process. By what I mean by house sales process is maybe qualifying the leads and booking an appointment, you're gonna make a fuck ton of money. And to be honest, all the ads that you've been thinking, all the system that you've been thinking, you can easily create it with ChatGPT and a couple different webhooks. For being able to actually execute this, you need to focus on one thing. You need to have a unique offer in a high ticket space, a space that a lot of people that be into, and being able to sell something really expensive. Oftentimes these high ticket clients want more exclusive deals. That means if they work with you, they want to sign an NDA with you, and that's a risk you're willing to take to sign all that big businesses that looking to work with you. And once you actually figure out how to find that sub niche under the big niche, what you can do is you can duplicate that offer into different sub niches in the same category, and this allows you to duplicate your agency time to time, so you never exhaust the market and you can scale horizontally instead of keep going up, keep building something that you have. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching it. This is a quick one.